Today, I'll guide you through the HiSense Android Smart TV Wi-Fi setup process, which includes how to connect to a new Wi-Fi or change your Wi-Fi network and check if Wi-Fi is working so that you can start streaming and enjoy all the smart features of your HiSense Android TV. To connect or change your HiSense Android TV's Wi-Fi from the home screen, you'll need to go to the top row. Then keep going right until you reach the Wi-Fi logo. Then press OK and make sure Wi-Fi is toggled on. Then the nearby Wi-Fi networks will show up. If you don't see your Wi-Fi here, then you can select See All and locate your Wi-Fi. Then press OK. After that, carefully enter your Wi-Fi password. And in case your Wi-Fi contains a lot of numbers, then you can use your remote's numeric pad. And after you're done, on the keyboard, you'll need to go to the check mark and press OK. Now it will say connecting, and in a moment it will say connected successfully. And if you want to change your current Wi-Fi, just follow the same way you connect to a different network. Now that the Wi-Fi is connected, on the Wi-Fi icon, it will also say connected. And to check whether your Wi-Fi is actually working, you can just try streaming on your favorite streaming app. So that's so simply you can connect to a Wi-Fi network on your HiSense Smart TV and check if it's working.